everyone can hear my voice? Okay,
Yes.
so please share the slides. Okay, it's so wonderful to have everyone online today. Okay, then I have 10 minutes to report to you what we have done this year and what's our plan next year. Next page. I'm a chairman of IAAS, and we have 4 parts to report to everyone. Next page. So start from how we define a year, okay? December 2021 to this past November. Next page. So these are all the activities that we have for the past 1 year. So you can see every season we have one activity. First is in March, and then in June, and then September is a big conference. And today is our annual event. And not just the conference and the workshops. Second level, it shows what kind of activity that we are already done. For example, mission trip to France, and also study trip to Holland, and also we build some kind of cooperations between Taiwan and Singapore. Later, I will show you more. In the bottom, I was invited to make a speech in APEC this year, and also to serve as a visiting professor at the University of Maryland this year. So next page, let me tell you more. So this is the first event on this March 25 is about water. Thank you for all these wonderful experts to contribute their knowledge with everyone here. Okay, next one. So this next is second webinar of this year in June. It's talk about functional food. Okay, it's also very fruitful webinar. Next one. This is a big one. Every year we have a big conference. It's called IIC. So this is our 7th year, and next year will be our 8th year. So you can see this is the more than 600 participants from 50 different countries or regions, and we do it by hybrid. So next one. And this year, I went to University of Maryland with the help of Dr. Wei, our honorable chairman of IAAS. So I stayed there for almost 5 months, see a lot of new things. So I put it all together in our workshops and events and conferences. So you will see in coming events. Next. So this year, we also in June go to France to see what kind of mission trip that we can arrange. So these are the photos to show you. We go to the winery factory and talk to a manager and to arrange all the detailed trips. Next. And yeah, I was invited by APEC. This one is in Thailand, talk about flower. And actually 2 days ago, I went to Yunnan. That's another APEC. I make a speech to talk about how to make the farmers adopt new technologies. So these are all APEC activities. So next. So in September, okay, we really go to France. We bring a group of agribusiness company owners go with us to see what kind of business in future that can build between Asia and Europe. The achievement is quite good. We have a small conference there, have a deep discussion, and also have some business is going on. And we will do it for next year. Later, I will say more. Next. And we also have a very interesting trip to Holland to see what's their new agriculture technology leaded by our advisor chairman of IAAS. And next year in March, they will go there again to see what's new in Europe in agriculture. Next. So This is what we did for a little bit of cooperation between Taiwan and Singapore. And IAAS becomes a middleman to build the relationship between AIC in Singapore and many Taiwan research institutes to sign MOU. So now everything goes smoothly. So we think next year we will have some projects done, and also new products will be developed. So next year we will have more fruitful information to you. Next. So second, our achievement. Next. So you can see from social media, we grow a lot. You can see this percentage grow 53%, 26, 34. So we really work hard, and more people already know IAAS. Next. So now we have so many members, you can see, right? So welcome you to join us, follow us, and join our event. Next. And these are our new friends for the past year, okay? Now we start to build more cooperations with different international organizations around the world, in Africa, in Asia, in Europe, etc. Okay, so if any audience you belong to any international organization, welcome you to send us some information. Maybe we can try to build something together in the near future. Next. So talk about our publication this year. Next, we published 3 books. The first one on the left, that's agriculture blockchain. We Google and find that this is the first agriculture blockchain in the whole world. You can find it in Google, and it just published recently. We cooperate with APARI, another very huge international organization. Thank you, Ravi, support IAAS so much. Second is last year speakers in IIC. All the speakers, we invite them in that conference to write a chapter, and we put it together to become the second book. And third book in the right side is the proceeding. So these are our achievement in publication. Next one. So what's new for the coming year? Next. So this is what we plan. The same, every season we will have some activity. So first season, second, third, fourth, you can see all webinar, because right now COVID-19 makes people still nervous. Can they do international travel or not? Or your ticket is quite expensive now. But under the lines, the time stream, you can see in the bottom, these are all the details for each season, what we will do. So first season, we will talk about urban agriculture and crop yields related to precision technologies, or what we call the smart agriculture technology, or agriculture 4.0 agriculture technology. Second season, we will talk about new topics in carbon sinks. And also we will have a mission trip, go to Holland to see what's new over there. And third season, we will have another big event, annual event, IIC. So we cooperate with University of Readings in UK. And also we will have a mission trip just like we have this year. This year we went to France, next year go to UK. So if you are interested in knowing new friends, want to build some new business, and welcome you to join us, go to UK, okay? And yeah, the topic is about agro-industrialization and sustainability. That's a big head, so there are so many new things we can do together. And the fourth season, just like today, it will be annual meeting, okay? Next. So I think that's all for my presentation about our annual report. Thank you for joining us.